Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. Okay, so if you are trading on Bitget, don't forget, because I always do, don't forget to come here and go to, where is it, rewards, and do your daily check-in. Because if you do that like 5 days in a row, you get 26 points, okay? Now those points you can do things with, like get money and stuff. So do remember to do that. If you haven't got a Bitget account, go to savewithcrypto.org/Bitget, and that will redirect to my affiliate link where you will get up to a $30,000 trading bonus for free. If you don't use my link, you only get $6,000 maximum, I think. So you get, no, it's 5,000 actually. So you get 6 times more if you use my link. So it's savewithcrypto.org/Bitget. If you can trade on ByBit, which I do think is a better exchange, to be honest, you can also get a $30,000 bonus there with my exclusive link, which is savewithcrypto.org/ByBit. Okay, right. So let's see how things are doing. So Bitcoin went up beautifully yesterday, didn't it? It was amazing. Let's just turn some of these indicators off we don't need. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin went up beautifully. It has come down a little bit since. I'm still in my trades, or trade rather. So let's have a quick look what's going on. So I think yesterday we were in this kind of ascending triangle, which does have the probability more of breaking down, and it didn't. It broke up, and when those things break in the wrong direction, they tend to break a bit more violently. So that's actually looking brilliant. That's looking really good. So we'll come back now to 60,000. That's okay. That might be a bit of support. Might be one of those psychological levels that people buy back in. But let's just have a quick look at the Fibonacci going from, say, here to yesterday's top. I mean, we might come back to the 618 here at 57,462. It's a possibility. My trade at the moment is this one here. I've taken $315 profit already, and it's currently $123 in profit. Now, I'm going to go away today. I'm going up to Hertfordshire to see a band, which I'm really looking forward to. So I'm going to push the stop loss here up to about 59.8, something like that, because I don't want to lose any money. Obviously, I can't check this while driving either, so that's what I'm going to do there. I've got a partial take profit set up here at 60,637, and I'm going to leave it like that. If you're not in a trade already, I'd probably be looking at that Fibonacci level of something like 57,462. No financial advice though, and I'm not very good at TA, so please do your own research, and none of this is financial advice. Now, my regular viewers will know that I really like these EMA indicators. The green one is a 55 EMA, the yellow is a 21 EMA, and the cyan is a 9 EMA. Now, these did actually cross in a bearish way on the 5-minute time frame this morning at about 4:45 UK time. So at the moment, we are in a slight downtrend, but I'm not worried overall, because if you look at this on a much larger time frame, and I'm looking at like the 6-hour time frame, so 6 hour there. Because what happened yesterday, I think it was yesterday, yep. So about 1 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday was the yellow 21 EMA crossed the 55 EMA on the 6-hour time frame. Now that is really, really bullish. That's great. Now, as long as that stays like that, I think the overall trend will be up. If you look back in the past when that happened, that was kind of here, say. We went from 59.5 up to 64. If you look at the time before that, here we went from 58 up to 70,000. Going back further, It's this one here in May when we were at 62.4. We went up to 71. And if you look back, you know, the one before the all-time high, this was actually here in January the 29th. That's when you got a bullish cross there, and then we went up to 74.1 approximately. So something like that one there, that was actually an 87% increase. So you can see how you make money in this market. You know, it's by looking for these, you know, general trends. And at the moment, I would say that at the moment we are still going up. Okay. And I don't see why we can't do something like that. So as far up as like 64.5, then maybe pull back to the mid 50s, and then off we go again. And obviously what you can see there is that trend line that I've drawn there, which looks valid to me. So I would say that we're going to see a new all-time high before the end of the year, which I'm very enthusiastic about. Now, if you want to know how to set those EMA indicators up, I'm going to link a video at the very end of this video. So do take a look at that if you haven't got them set up already. It's a free indicator just on TradingView. And I do have Eric Crown to thank for that, because that's what he likes to use as well. And obviously you can use this indicator on any time frame. I mean, for example, this is like the 1 minute on Bitcoin. And you can see here that, you know, when it came down this morning, that all started at 4:30 in the morning, when there was this bearish cross there and the yellow went below the green, and that stayed like that until about 7:50 this morning, and it's been sort of, you know, trying to get back up since then. Obviously what you see in a lower time frame, you see this crossing over like too often, so, you know, I'd go a bit higher, you know, even like the 2 minutes, say, and then you can see here that, okay, you know, that hasn't crossed back yet, but it probably will any minute. And with just a few seconds left for that candle to close, let's have a look and see what it does. And it's so nearly there, isn't it? And what you tend to see is the cyan, which is a 9 EMA. You tend to see that one sort of indicating which direction it's going to go in. So obviously with that above at the moment, that is a good sign. So that should pull the yellow one up over the green. So let's wait a few more seconds, see what happens. I do need to get on the road by 9 o'clock, so I will have to cut this video a little bit short. But do set these EMAs up, have a play with them, and see if you can use them to identify bottoms and things like that. There is actually 2 videos at the end of this video, and one of them is about where I was using it to find a bottom in a similar circumstance to what we're at now. So this is looking good. So 1 second to go, and there you go. There is a cross there now. So for me, that's a good sign that that might have bottomed out temporarily. And then what I'd probably do, I'd probably be looking at a higher time frame, even like the 3 minute, to be honest. And then once again, you want to see that cyan go above the green and pull the yellow up with it. Okay, sorry I can't do any more at the moment, but I really do need to go, get on the road and get driving. All right, take care everyone. I'll make a video sometime tomorrow. I'm not sure when it's going to be though. Might be later on in the day. But the best way to be notified about it is to be subscribed to the channel and have the notifications set on all. Join the Telegram group as well, because that's free. I always announce everything there, and I always announce what I'm doing with my trades as well there, so you might find that useful. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll do my best to answer them, but it might be at random times during the day. Do like the video, of course, and above all, tell your friends.